E absolvo a acusada Érica Pereira da Silveira Vicente das imputações que lhe foram feitas neste processo. Peço-se alvará de soltura, se por outro motivo não estiver presa.
Deus do céu!
Com o trânsito julgado, sentença, tome-se as providências administrativas listadas nos itens 1 a 6, publicado em plenário, tanto cientes intimados presentes, registro se cumpra-se plenário de julgamento da segunda presidência do Tribunal de Júri.
I want to say thank God that they made sure she was not guilty, because what she did something that was very honorable. She defended her daughter. She definitely defended her daughter. And I'm happy that she didn't get charged for it. And that boyfriend that raped her daughter should be resting in hell. I'm so happy that they didn't do no stupid stuff and found that woman guilty, found that mother guilty. I'm so happy that they made sure that she wasn't guilty at all. You know what I'm saying? That's very devastating that she had to walk in to seeing her daughter being raped. You know how devastating that is? Seeing your daughter getting raped, and you have to do what you gotta do to get this damn scumbag, this damn barbarian off of her daughter. Thank God that, you know, everything is gonna be all right now. Now they're gonna have to put that daughter in therapy. She gotta have a shrink. She gotta have all type of like mental health, because that's gonna mess with her for the rest of her life. May that boyfriend that the mother was dealing with rest in hell. You sick bastard.